If your Chime verification fails, this is the simple fix that you can do. First is to identify the common verification failures and fixes. Verification code is not received. Check your phone number and the email address if it is correct and current, and ensure Chime shorts code is not blocked, and text start to that number to up into SMS messaging, and check your email spam folder. Next is if your verification photo or the ID has been rejected. Just retake photos in good, bright lighting, ensuring that the ID is clear and all information is readable. Now, if the account is not verified after hours, process usually takes a few minutes but can take longer. Be patient. If it persists for more than a day, you can contact Chime support directly via their app or their website. And that's the fix if your Chime verification has failed. And thank you for listening.